I'm so bored and I'm so poor. I want a squishy tray. But what they have is this squishy shell. Squishy shell. Maybe I could trade this for something. Let's go look for rich people who have good squishies. No. Yes. This is so good but why is this squishy box? But why is it half open from the back? But good thing I did not wait. I'm going to trade with her. Okay, let's teleport. Made it. Now, enjoy squishy trading. Let's write a note and give it to him. I'm going to make this into a paper airplane. Okay, finished. Now let's throw it to her. I wonder what to trade with this, even though it's like open, but okay. Oh, wait, there's a note right there. Let's read it. I'm gonna open it, hold up. But it says, do you want to squishy trade with me for my cheese squish? Oh my god, I want it. Oh, cheese squish, but this is my only one. I guess I have to try. I really want a cheese. Okay, let's see. Oh, it doesn't say anything. Maybe she'll send a button so I could trade with her. Okay, let's just wait now. God, I forgot to give her a button. Okay. Now I got this. Let's start. This isn't perfect like last, but okay. I just fixed it a little. Then no, there's still having came in. I'm not gonna turn it. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't see this. Oh, she maybe sent it. Okay. Okay, let's open. Oh my god, it says it, the buttons. I don't know, because this is new. Oh, okay, I guess I'm just gonna do 3, 2, 1. Ruby, stop. Stop, my god, I just made it here. Hi. Oh my gosh, hi. So, I'm just gonna go get my cheese because she just BRB. Okay, guys. Okay. Forgot to tell her out. I kind of asked her out to wait up. Okay, I kind of fixed it because it looked kind of ring. So, I think the tape is it good now? It's perfect. Kind of like the book. I'll just get my money out of better hide. Go. Go. By the way, I can move the other way. There's so much going. I just finished putting. Oh my god, this is so bad. I'm gonna tape it up now. Okay. That's for part 2, guys. Okay, gotta go. Bye.